Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. It's 2 a.m., Thanksgiving weekend, long turkey coma, perfect time to do the Giving Gratitude Hop winners. Thanks again to everybody that subbed and followed. We reached the 1K on Instagram. We didn't quite do the 500 at YouTube, so we'll still be having a giveaway later for that one, and then a 750 and a 1,000 subs as well. Denise Bryant, you won it this time. You were also the closest for even trying to guess what's unique about my channel. For the Instagram winner, we did the same thing. We loaded all the comments except for those of us that were in the hop. Both potential winners have got 2 days to contact me by direct message on Instagram, or we'll move on to the next winner. All right, for Instagram, it's QT Cards with Mom. So again, Denise and QT Cards with Mom, contact me direct message on Instagram. I'm going to email you a gift certificate because of the Canada Post strike. And everybody else, be that change you want to see in the world. Thanks, stick around. We'll have more later. All right, bye-bye everybody.